And this is the top, very girly and lacy. And here are the bottoms. Little pink heart socks. These nails with the pink star. These cute butterfly nails with hearts, but they also have hearts and a butterfly detail. Very cute as well, with some gems on there and some pink gingham. I got these with the red heart. These with the cute white heart and white tips. These cute ones with the pink heart and the pink tips. I got this cute Hello Kitty clip, mauve pink makeup brushes. This is what they look like. Very nice, great for summer, warm, like Birkenstock style. Really cute, like very